Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade.
Dog, this is me again, Roha Briner, ang inyong alindog, lipstick lang ang katapat. Today vlog is, I show you the panorama till 8 o'clock until 9:30. Ayan, almost 1 hour or 2 hours. They change quick here, the weather. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new video. So ayan guys, panoorin ninyo yung weather dito. Very nakaka-depress at saka too much sad, but we need to be happy dahil we see all this beautiful nature what God Lord give to us, di ba? Napaka very unique. So ayan guys, let's start now, okay? Look mga kalindog, the sunrise here, oh, diba? Ang ganda ng sun. Ayan oh, very cold dito. Ayan, puro ice na naman. You see, there is ice. Ayan, ice. Ito yung ano doon, yung river sa ice. Ayan. Diba? Sunrise, look. Ang ganda ng araw, diba? That will be the sun here. You see? Sunrise. But you see, it's very cold here, guys. Mga kaalindog. Diba? Ang ganda nung pagsikat ng araw, diba? Parang gusto kong kumanta ng pagsikat ng araw, may dalang umaga. O, diba? Beautiful. You see? I never see this here in Germany. Only here now in my new place. So guys, ayan. Praise God. Beautiful nature. Diba? Okay mga kalindog, that's it. Only I wanna make this theme today. O diba? Ayan o, lamig. It's cold. It's foggy and it's very, look at my window. It's all sweaty. See? Because it's too cold. Ayan. Too cold, you see. I try to open now the window because it's really damn cold. Ayan. So ayan guys, and the sun is getting more and more bigger. Ayan. But only like that, later no more. See? Okay mga kalindog. So diba mga kalindog, ang laki niya na, oh, bilog na siya. Ayan, diba? Pero lamig pa rin talaga mga kalindog. Ayan, diba? Yung nakikita ninyo yung puting yan. Sa top na yan. Yellow yan. Ayan, ice yan. Ice. So ayan mga kalindog. So, ayan mga kalindog, thank you na lang sa inyo. Thank you for watching this beautiful panorama again, the sun of panorama. Bye-bye. Bye, sun. See you later. So, ayan mga kalindog, it's 9:30. Oh. Nawala na yung araw, nawala na yung river, diba? Hindi nakita yan. Too much foggy na yan. Too much foggy. You cannot see no more there the panorama. Where is the river? You see no more the river there. And the sun is no more. You see? No more sun. Ayan. This is the weather always here every day. O, diba? Foggy, snow, and you see, ayan yung ice. And you see, oh, ayan, no more. Diba? Wala na yung sun. No more everything here. Diba? Ganyan lang talaga dito. Diba? There, oh, the sky, nothing. Diba? Ayan. Very puggy. As in, puggy. So, ayan mga kalindog. Let's close na the window again. Dahil ang heater is working already. It's warm now. I put in the... Ayan na siya. Diba? Never. Wala na siya talagang very puggy na outside. Ayan. I put the heater in 20 degree. Ayan. 20 degree. Ayan. Parang kita ninyo. So, ayan. This is the other side. Which is, ayan. You see also here the other... all the houses, the building, I mean, it's all ice. You see, you cannot see no more the heater. You see, ayan, it's very foggy, diba? So, ayan mga kalindong. So, diba, kaya sinasabi ko sa inyo, the life here in Germany or the Europe is very, what do you call that? Sad, nakakalungkot. Ito yung mga kalindong. Look at the weather, mga kalindong. I don't know. Here is the light or the fan. I think even they're like, and here is dark. Diba? Maganda siya. Beautiful. Para siyang paint. It's like a painting, right? Diba? Beautiful. Ang dami kayo dito. It's so cold today, mga kalindog. Ayan, actually, dito ko sa terrace, ayan, show you again. Diba? It's really beautiful. Panorama. Diba, mga kalino? Dahil kung wala kayong kasama, ayan, buti na lang nandito si Victoria. Ayan, nanginat-gat-gat na nila agad yung bahay, ayan, o kaya nasira na agad yung painting. O, diba? At ngatera. So, ayan, ganyan. Depressed. Pag hindi kayo masyadong malakas yung loob nyo, malulungkot kayo dito, depression ang makakuha nyo. Well, by the way, sanay na ako. Ayan. Ito si Dondola, ang aking old dog na, ayun na dating si Dondola, na ngayon ay nasa heaven na siya. At of course, this is my mom and dad, diba? Aking dad is nasa California. Ito si Miko, binata na yan si Miko. Itong mother ko, nasa heaven na rin siya. Magkasama na sila ni Dondola. So, ayan mga kalindog, thank you. Thank you mga kalindog. Ayan, pinakita ko lang sa inyo yung weather dito is like our life. O, diba? Ang buhay or our life is weather lang, diba? Sometimes it's shining, sometimes is what do you call that, like this, is foggy and dark. But don't worry, always guys, that's what I told you. Be always positive. Life is too short. We need to enjoy our life, okay? Kailangan natin yan. Kailangan ng ating life is, what do you call that, we need to be strong enough for this the pandemic also. So, hindi na tayo, we cannot go out, we cannot go shopping, nothing, o diba, walang, no parties, ayan, sa mga friends, nothing. So, guys, be happy, okay? So, thank you mga kalindog, thank you, ayan, nakita niyo sa labas, it's too much pagi, diba? You cannot see even the outside, ayan, ganyan kapagi. Paulit-ulit ang inyong kalindog. So, thank you for watching, guys. Mga kalindog, I love you all. Remember, Roha Briner. Subscribe. Thank you. Bye.